Hi guys, my name is Louis Mendez and this is my e-commerce. Welcome to Electronic Cigarettes, and this is my JavaScript alert here. Press OK, and then this is my home, and this is my logo and my logo. Slide the header heading, and the code for that is here. Home, then title, CSS here, CSS upload, and slide images here, these images, and the code for these images here. Slide also is here. Here is marquee and copyright footer. Then the next step is the market, and also you need to be qualified to enter this area, 18 above. Press OK. Free shipping. The logo by products, the logo and the products. The code for that is in here. Also here, there. Atlantic. Product one, the image. Then next is the click this. Product one. Product one. It's
Ingka na pagod na.
Yan ako ba nito gimuhan na gitawag ka. Kumitaw.
Add cart. Add cart, press and then press here, and we got the products. And also add the minus and X and so on here to the other products also. About electronic.
Ami ako kanon, ingka na pagod na.
About electronic. Here. Words here. So long. Contact us me. My name is Lumindes again. Student. Contact me now. Contact here. Which is us in freepoly.com /electronic-cigarettes. Add me on Facebook also. And welcome.